Hi, in this tutorial I'm gonna teach you how to deactivate the theme of your WordPress website. Let's come to the screen. Here is my website and you have a theme installed here, and now I'm going to change this theme and will show you how the effect will be. Here is the admin panel of my WordPress. You have to go to appearance and themes. Here is the installed theme in your WordPress, and now I'm going to deactivate this theme. You just have to click another theme and activate it. This theme will automatically be deactivated. Now my theme has changed. Now let me show you the effect of this theme. I'm going to refresh it. You can see that my website have changed completely, and you can see the effect of this theme as well. That's the end of today's discussion. Thank you very much for watching this short tutorial. Keep watching the next one.